Why crowd around your smartphone or laptop to watch multimedia when you can go big, really big, with Honestech Endscreen Deluxe? Now, you can wirelessly project content from your PC or handheld right to your HD TV. The innovative Honestech Endscreen Deluxe supports multiple devices: PCs, tablets, and smartphones, multiple OSs, Windows, Android, iOS, multiple CPUs and NICs. Honestech Endscreen Deluxe includes everything you need: the Endscreen box, HDMI cable, Ethernet cable, composite AV cable, and the Endscreen software. So here's how it works. Your PC, smartphone, or tablet communicates wirelessly with the Honestech Endscreen box. The Endscreen box is a Wi-Fi device that streams video and audio and connects with your HD TV, monitor, or projector using the supplied HDMI cable for crystal clear HD quality. The device also works as an access point for internet connection. Here's how to set it up. Connect the power adapter to the Endscreen box and turn it on. Connect the box to your display device, such as a TV or projector, using the HDMI cable. Install the Endscreen software on your Windows PC. Then, open the wireless network connection on your PC and connect to the Endscreen box. Double-click on the Endscreen icon on your desktop to start the Endscreen program. Click the next button to begin projecting your PC content to your HD TV. If you're using a smartphone or tablet, download the Endscreen app on your handheld device, and then connect to the Endscreen Wi-Fi network. Find your favorite media file and start streaming. It's that easy. You can even switch to another device, like from your smartphone to a PC, using innovative cut-in technology. Multiple users with the Endscreen software can share a single Endscreen box for your business presentations. Go wireless and simplify with Honestech Endscreen Deluxe.